Hello, this is Moresh. Uh, and what I want to do today is to work through the timelines which we have for the next few days and next few weeks so that everybody knows what will go live when, and also give an insight into the technology roadmap which we have at OpenDAO. So as you guys already know, we are going to focus completely on our stablecoin. But in order to get there, there are three main steps, and they are largely predicated by what you have from UME in terms of the underlying contracts. Uh, it's not that we can't do our own contracts, but it's a little bit safer to use this. But beyond that, the steps which we are taking are also the best possible route which we can take to deliver something which is quite safe. And at OpenDAO, when I do anything related to technology architecture, security is the most important thing which I like to consider. So the first step is really the yDollar. And this is essentially a fixed term expiring contract. It usually has a 3-month expiry. The next one will have a 31st March as expiry and will go live around Christmas. So we have to go live before that. There's no other way. And it has various collaterals, ETH, BTC, comp. At some point, we'll have open as well. The status of that is the contracts are ready. They're audited already with OpenZeppelin. And it's well tested and it's operational. It's been running around for quite a few months now. And feel quite confident about using this. So all systems are ready to go. We'll have something live before Christmas, hopefully. We are working on the user interface for this. And step one will be to start with REN. And we expect this to be live by Christmas 2020. So hopefully a nice little present for everybody. Step two. Step two is perpetual single collateral synthetic contract. Now, this is fundamentally an upgraded version of the 3-month expiry contracts. The difference over here is there's no expiry date. They don't expire. What's the status of this? The contracts are ready. The audits are in progress, which should be completed sometime in Jan. And then we'll start doing some testing in Jan. So in terms of timelines, I think that by late Jan to mid-February next year, we will have something out with this. It will be in a beta. We'll roll it out. We'll test it out. And we'll test it out for a few more months. And obviously, we're going to focus a lot on BTC. BTC via the REN bridge. BTC goes to REN BTC. Then BTC is then used to stake it. And then out comes BTC dollar. Conceptually, this is very similar to the first version of MakerDAI, which was SAI, single collateral DAI. Except instead of ETH, we have BTC via REN as the first collateral. Now, step three. Step three is multi-collateral perpetuals. And this is fundamentally similar to multi-collateral DAI. So as you guys might see a pattern over here, we are a little bit similar to MakerDAI. Obviously, we differ in terms of the collateral pool which we have, as well as the pegging mechanism which we have. Now, in multi-collateral, we'll be able to have BTC, ETH, tokenized stock, tokenized real estate. All of that can be staked, and out comes dollars. Now, the contracts, in terms of status of this, this is not yet started because obviously we need to do the single collateral thing first. So in terms of contracts, it's to be done, audits to be done, testing to be done. So this is currently on the drawing board. We have a fair idea about how this will look like. And it will be an upgraded version of a single collateral perpetual contract. And we expect this to be live second half of 2021. So we'll take a few months to run the single collateral thing. And then in the second half of 2021, we'll be able to roll this out. So that is it. That's the timeline for the next few weeks and next few months. And I look forward to speaking with you again. Thanks. Bye.